Oh my goodness, he's so handsome.
He just starts laughing like every 2 minutes.
Like cradle him and squeeze him. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, you Baba. So I'm usually the person who puts Kayvon down for his afternoon nap, but since I'm filming this, Mel is doing it and he's like, how do I get him to go to sleep? And after looking at him in the FaceTime, I'm like, he does not look like he wants to go to sleep. He looks so cute, oh my goodness. Today is gonna be a little pamper routine, and I'm so excited to do this because I have been needing just like a spa pamper day in such a long time. My peach fuzz is out of this world. I am as pale as Casper the Friendly Ghost. My hair is so oily, you could fry freaking samosas in it. Like, we just need a day to just get our life together. Nails aren't done. Like, I just need a day to, you know, just really pamper myself and get myself ready for this upcoming week. I think it's so important, especially as a new mom, to take some time to take care of yourself. I know that seems like the hardest thing in the world, like, trust me, but just even finding some time, like an extra hour or two once every 2 weeks, to really just take some time for yourself, whether that's taking a longer shower or painting your nails or curling your hair. You know, it's just so important to really just find that time for yourself, because it's so easy to really lose yourself after you have a baby. Trust me, like, I really have to find the time to do the things that I want to do, because I can easily find a million other things I can do than do this right now. I'm like, well, the dishes need to be done, the laundry needs to be done, Kayvon's gonna need to get fed in the next few hours, so I need to go like sanitize my pump parts. Like, there's so many things I can think of that I can be doing instead of this, but I just know like I'm gonna burn out if I don't take some time to just really take care of myself. Before we get into this video, I just want to give a quick shout out to Savage X Fenty for sponsoring this video. You guys know I'm a Savage X Fenty ambassador, and I love them so much for what they stand for. They're all about feeling confident and sexy in your own skin, and they have such a wide array of items. They have pajamas, lingerie, robes, like sleepwear. They have so many amazing pieces, and they're all really great quality. I'm just gonna be showing you guys some of my favorite pieces for the month, so you guys can easily shop Savage X Fenty in my description box. So this first set right here is such a cute lounge piece. So it is this 2-piece pink set. I actually have a picture in this, which I'll put on the screen, but it is a little crop top with these buttons, and then also the matching leggings. This is just such a cute set to just rock around the house or to like a little slumber party. Like, this definitely gives me like slumber party vibes. But you can also unbutton it if you want to show a little bit of cleavage, and you can always just wear this crop top with like jeans or jean shorts, and it'll be a really nice little summer outfit. I also got this black bra from Savage this month, and I love it because of the cut. So it's a balconette, I think that's how you pronounce it, balconette bra, but I just wore this under that top that you guys just saw, so it scoops really low, so you can wear it with all of your scoop neck t-shirts and bodysuits and it won't show. And the material is so comfortable, and I love how there's a Savage logo charm in the middle. It's just such a nice little detail. And this set also comes with a different bottom, so it also comes with this little boy short. I'm not gonna turn around because they're extremely cheeky, but it's really cute if you want to wear this for like a Netflix and chill date, or if you're just chilling with your boo because your booty is like all out. It's not a thong, but it's definitely like a really cheeky boy short. But I love how this is just like the legging, like with the waistband. And then I have another set in that exact same style, except this one is in bright yellow. It's so freaking cute. So obsessed. So you guys can kind of see from the side, like it does show a lot of booty, but it's so figure flattering. Like, again, this is something you wear for your Netflix and chill date, you're, you know, just lounging around with your boo. This is the set to wear. And this top is just so cute for summer. Definitely want to be wearing this with some like denim shorts or something, and just rocking it as like a regular shirt as well. Next up, we have this sheer mesh set in this neon green color, and I'm so in love with this set. And guys, I was watching my friend Danny's Savage Fenty try-on haul, and she wore nude underwear under her sheer underwear so she could actually show you guys what it looked like on, and I was like, oh my gosh, like genius. I've been doing so many of these Savage Fenty try-on hauls, and it never occurred to me to just wear a pair of nude underwear. But anyways, back to this set. I really love it. It is just the bralette with the matching underwear, and I really love this color. I actually have this in a blue color. I actually posted a picture on it, so I'll put it on the screen as well. So it does come in different colors, but I really like this piece too. I feel confident, I feel sexy, and so the only items I'm not going to be trying on for you guys are these ones right here, because as I mentioned previously, I posted a picture on Instagram and it got removed, so I just don't want to risk it with this video, but I will put the picture on the screen for you guys to see. But it is this sheer bra and panty set, and then you wear this adorable little skirt right on top of the panty, and it's so cute. I love the neon accents, but trust me, it looks a lot better on than it does, you know, laying down. But I love, love, love this piece. So those are all the pieces that I got from Savage X Fenty. So again, you guys should definitely become an extra VIP member. I'll put a link to join down below, but basically you guys get 2 browser bralettes for $29 and 50% off all additional items off your first order. And now let's move on to the rest of this video. So let's get started on our pamper routine. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I did go lighter with my hair the other day. Okay, let me show you guys my hair from the back, so you guys can see the color. But my inspo picture for my hair was actually my pictures from high school. So if you guys have been watching me for a long time, you would know my natural hair color is Kayvon's natural hair color. It's like this light brown, but sometimes it would look red, sometimes it will look blonde. Like, I honestly don't even know what my natural hair color is. So obviously we can't just strip the dark color and just get my natural hair back. So what we're doing right now is just adding highlights, and it does look very, very similar to how my hair used to look. So we just added some highlights, and I think that's just gonna be my new thing. I think I'm gonna do long and light hair in the summertime and then dark and short hair in the winter time. First things first, for my pamper routine, I went ahead and took a body shower this morning, and I just went ahead and shaved my whole body, and that just got me prepped for my spray tan. So I'm gonna first be applying my tan because that's gonna take the longest to develop. It takes about 6 hours to develop. You can sleep in it. I don't really like sleeping in my tan because I do sweat in my sleep, and then it gets all over my sheets and stuff, so I prefer to do it in the daytime and wash it off before I go to bed. So this is the tan I've been using since I was in high school, and I really do love it. This is the Loving Tan Deluxe Mousse, and I'm using the shade Ultra Dark, and this just brings back so many memories. Like, when I smell it, I just think of high school because I wasn't getting my spray tans professionally done then. I was doing all of them at home, so whenever I smell this, it just like takes me back to a time. Also, speaking of high school, back in that time, you were only able to get this online because it is from Australia, but now they sell it at Ulta, which is so great. So you guys can walk into your Ulta store. Well, obviously Ulta isn't open right now, but you guys can get this off of Ulta.com and stuff, so that's really great. So obviously I would do this completely naked, but just to show you guys the color, I'm gonna keep my bra on real quick. So you just pump out some of the foam onto the mitt, and here is what the color looks like. So here's one arm done. You guys can compare the two. So this one has a nice glow, and then this one is without the tan. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this all over my body, and then I'll be right back. So I just finished putting on my tan, and the best thing to wear when you're done with your tan is cotton. So as much as I would love to wear, you know, my cute little silk robes, definitely for your tan, the best thing to wear is 100% cotton. So I just threw on this really big cotton t-shirt. This is actually Mel's, so I'm just wearing this while I let it develop. And again, I'm gonna let it stay on for at least 6 hours. Sometimes I even go to like 8 or 9. So now I'm gonna move on to the rest of my pamper routine. So I'm gonna put my hair up because I want to do some skincare. So I like to shave my face. I've been doing this for such a long time now, and I love removing the peach fuzz because A, it makes my skin so incredibly smooth, B, makeup applies so beautifully when I remove the peach fuzz, and C, whenever I apply products on top of my skin after removing the peach fuzz, I really feel like they penetrate the skin a lot deeper. So again, do this at your own risk. You can cut yourself if you don't do it correctly, and I use my Tinkles razors. I get them off of Amazon. Whenever I mention that I got something off of Amazon in my videos, make sure you guys check out the link down below to my Amazon store. I have them all over there. I think I have the Tinkles razors under Beauty Essentials, but I buy them in bulk. I literally buy like 12 packs at a time, and 3 come in each pack. So I am stocked up. I do this at least every 2 weeks. So I'm gonna first put my hair up. So there's a bunch of in-depth tutorials here on YouTube for shaving your face, but I'm just gonna show you guys how I do it real quick. So you first wanna make sure your skin is cleansed. This is the cleanser I've been using for so long now. This is the Image Skincare ORMEDIC Balancing Facial Cleanser. I only have like this much left, so I definitely need to order more. But I washed my face with this in the shower this morning, but then I did not apply any skincare products. So after you cleanse your skin, you don't want to apply any moisturizers, any serums, nothing like that. You really want your skin to be dry before you go in and shave. I know it's this new thing about oil, like people apply like baby oil first and then they shave. I don't do all that. I just do it while my skin is dry, and I feel like it does the best at getting me the closest shave. And the way I really see the peach fuzz is I turn my face to the side, and I can like, so I shave like this way, like here's the mirror, and I look this way so I can see the hairs sticking out like that. So that's how I do it. So I only use a razor one time, which is why I buy so many at once. So you definitely don't want to reuse these because you want the blade to be the sharpest possible, because you don't want to like be scraping a dull blade on your skin. Don't mind the bathroom in the back, guys. Our bathroom is such a mess right now. I'm going to show you guys how bad the bathroom is on the other side. It's literally a hot mess. So I get super close to the mirror when I do this, so I can see very clearly. and I just take it in an upwards motion. My skin does get red when I do this, so I tend to do this on a day where I'm not leaving the house. Obviously we're not leaving the house, or at night, so the redness doesn't affect me. So here's an up close look. You guys can see all the peach fuzz and the dead skin it's taking off, and that's just by doing like a few strips on my face. I even get in between my eyebrows. I also go along my nose. It does help scrape off some of the blackheads. So you guys can see some of the clogged pores that took off of my nose. So I just cleaned off the razor on a pair of black pants so you guys can see a little better, but this is just from doing one tiny little section on my face. A lot comes out. I love doing this for exfoliation. Again, do this at your own risk. Quick water break, very important part of self-care. I swear ever since I got this jug, gallon jug water bottle from Fit with Sis, I've been drinking so much more water just because I would get so lazy to refill my other cup. So this one is all the water I need in a day. So typically the rule is to take your weight and divide it by half in ounces, and that's how much water you should drink. So I weigh around 150 pounds right now, so dividing that in half, that's like 75 ounces, and this is 73 ounces. So when I know I drink this whole thing, I got all my water in for the day. So going in with the rest of my skincare, I'm going to be using the C-ESTA face serum from Marini. It is medical grade skincare, so it is pretty pricey, but I've just noticed such a huge improvement in my skin ever since I started using her products. I'm going to rub that. So before I go into my moisturizer, I just applied these little gel under eye pads. These are the Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Detox Hydra-Gel patches. I used to use these a long time ago and I'd never repurchased them. And I finally picked them up again from Ulta, and they just feel so good under your eyes. I actually keep them in the fridge. So whenever I apply them, they just feel so good. They just help depuff your under eyes and help with dark circles and fine lines and all that stuff. Now I'm gonna apply my face cream. This is the Marini Transformation Face Cream. Obsessed with this face cream. It's so good, but again, it's just so pricey and it's such a small jar. I go through this like once a month and it's just so crazy expensive, but it just makes my skin feel so good. It's 1 fluid ounce, so it's not a lot of product, but this is something I have to splurge on. I just love this moisturizer. So I'm about to do my nails. I'm using the Kiss Salon Acrylic. I really love the shape of these nails. So I went ahead and measured out all the nails and I have them ready to go. This makes it so much easier, so definitely do that first. And I'm going to be using this white nail polish from OPI, and this is in the shade Alpine Snow. I love this white color because it's like true white, but I decided to get the Infinite Shine one, so hopefully this will stay shiny longer. And the nails do come with their own little glue, but I actually went ahead and ordered this Kiss glue off of Ulta as well. PowerFlex Max Speed nail glue. I've never tried this, so let's see how this works out. But I'm first going to clip my nails down as much as I can. Then I'm going to buff them with this buffing block, and then I'm going to glue on the nails.
Ryan Little.
Hey guys, so it's been a while since I last talked to you guys. It's been a few hours. Actually, no, it's been a bunch of hours. It's already 10 o'clock at night. I put Kayvon down an hour ago, but I finished up everything I did earlier at 5, and then I wanted to spend time with Kayvon, and I had to feed him, and then I also made dinner. I cleaned, I did a lot, and you guys can see my shirt is a mess just from cooking and cleaning and baby spit up and this, that, and the third. Like, we are just a mess right now. So I'm gonna finally take a shower. So I wanted to wait for Kayvon to go to sleep before I showered because I also wanted to style my hair, and that was gonna take, like, styling my hair and taking a shower takes me like an hour and a half, so I wanted him to be down before I did that. This hair mask I recently discovered I am obsessed with. So I got a sample of this when I ordered more of my skincare products from Dermstore, whatever. They sent me a sample of this hair mask and I loved it so much. I went on Amazon and I ordered it, and it is just amazing. It makes your hair so smooth and silky, and it just makes your hair smell so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this in the shower as well. So I'm gonna see you guys when I'm finished. So I'm not gonna get too in-depth with my hair care routine because I kind of want to just do a separate video because I have switched up a lot of things that I do in my hair care routine, and I've been obsessed with how my hair has been looking. So I just sprayed some detangler in my hair and I'm just brushing it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed through this. I'm just gonna blow dry, comb my hair at the straightener, and then we're gonna finish up our pamper routine. Okay guys, that's it for my pamper glow up routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I feel so much better. You guys can probably see a huge improvement of my mood from the beginning of this video to the end, but my hair looks so much better, my nails look so much better. Got my tan on, I watched my favorite show while I did everything. I watched Grey's Anatomy, got all caught up. So you know what, I feel really good, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, links to all the products I used in today's video will be in the description box for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure you comment down below and let me know what's your favorite thing to do at home during this quarantine. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again for our next video. Bye guys.